Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm looking at a water heater, a furnace, and a generator exhaust pipe. And so what I want to talk about is make sure that you're adding the bug screens to these. Any of the appliances that run off of a propane have a natural garlic byproduct in it called ethanol mercaptan. So basically it smells like a barbecue. So these bees, mud daubers, wasps, baby bats, baby sparrows, you name it, we found them in it. They get attracted to that smell and they'll climb on in there and cause damage to the burner, which if you've walked around and seen people smoke and burning, you'll see that's what that's doing. Same thing with the furnace. So people always think, hey, my sail switch is bad. Well, there's a 8-inch fan wheel on this side and a 1.5-inch on this side. So those collect dirt naturally, just like a ceiling fan in a house, but they'll also get pests and stuff in there that can block off those sail switches, electrodes, burners, and cause a bunch of damage. So make sure you're checking that stuff out. See it on other videos, posts, and articles that we have so you can see those pictures. And then lastly, this generator exhaust pipe, to me, that's way too long. I would take and kick it out in a different area and shorten it and come out either further up, because it's over here by the room, but it's also by all this other stuff that's burning as well. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope these videos help you. This is Dustin, RV Specialist.